What's up, God? Yes, was it Danye? Danye, I'm very sorry for you. What the heck? That you didn't want to make that deal, so let's do this shit. Two minutes. Let's stop shit. Okay, guys, now let's do this shit. Get Danye. Boom. I'll stop this outside Danye myself. Okay. Submission. I'ma save it. Let's start with the pets. And Danye, those blast toys and shit. This shit fake. This is fake. This card I had before. I just drew this shit. It's a real card, but they phony. Just the real shit. Oh my god, shit. No. Okay, let's start opening. I ain't seen none yet, so yeah. Okay, here's the card. There's the card deck. Boom. We'll see how it feels, Danye. Little Max Potion, Geodude, Donkey, Dead, Garchomp, Dead. This is boom! Boom, boy! So weak. Then let's open the next pack! Okay. Fire Flash! Shut you guys. Here's the card. Boom. Workshop. Vegetar, Frogadier, Dragonite, Dragon, Banchomp, Exodus, Murphy EX! Let this in! Kingdom EX! So yeah guys, done! So guys, like, subscribe, and yeah, we'll go down below!